This is the senecio crassissimus. It's also called the propeller plant, and the leaves are kind of a bit odd looking but very pretty, and they have these leaves are kind of like propellers. So it's also called propeller plant or senecio uh, propeller plant, and these new leaves are so delicate. Just touching them once leaves a mark on it, like that. And this originally it's from Madagascar, it seems. And this entire family of plants, the senecios, they are quite erect type of succulent plants, and they survive quite well outdoors in India. They can withstand quite a bright sunlight, because Madagascar is somewhat like South India in many ways. And watering and all, you can water it once in some 10 days and all. When you water, you thoroughly drench the pot, and then for 10 or 20 days and all, you can just let it be to dry out completely. And it can grow quite tall and lanky, and it may even fall down if it is not placed properly because of this height. And it can be propagated by, you can just cut one piece like that and plant it, remove these lower leaves, cut one piece like this, remove the lower leaves, and you put it in the kind of a sandy garden mix. It will sprout. And about the soil also, it's not a fussy plant. You can just put garden mud with a little bit of sand, so that it's nice and porous. And you can fertilize it about once a year. So that's about the crassissimus.